welcome to Maths Guru channel. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. In this video, I am going to explain a small derivations in the trigonometry. What are those derivations? Let us see now. See, first derivation, just I am going to derive sin 2 theta formula. Okay, so first let us see what is the formula for sin 2 theta. So 2 sin theta cos theta. Yes, we are writing sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. So just we are using the formula in the given questions. Wherever it will come, that question, suitable question, we will apply this suitable formula. Yes or no? So here just I am going to derive how it will come. Sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. How it will come? Let us see. Just I am taking LHS. What is LHS? Sin 2 theta. Okay. Now sin 2 theta we can write it as sin of theta plus theta. Okay, 2 theta. So theta plus theta, 2 theta. Okay. Now it is in the form of sin of a plus b. Sin a plus b form is there. Right? This formula, okay. Here this formula we can write it as sin a cos b, okay, plus cos a sin b. This is the formula of sin of a plus b. Now here sin of a plus b form is there now. We can expand in this. We can apply this formula here. Okay. Now sin a and b. Once see, this is a, this is b. Okay. A and b also we can write as only theta. Okay. Sin a means sin theta. Cos b means cos theta. Plus cos theta into sin theta. Okay. Here just sin theta cos theta plus here just I am writing first sin theta to avoid confusion. Cos theta. Here in order sin theta cos theta. Sin theta cos theta. A into B. B into A. Same meaning only na. AB. Okay. This you can write BA. AB also we can write. Yes or no? The similar way. B into A is there. That I wrote as A into B. Like that. So now see. Here sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta. 2 times is there. Here 1, here 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So 2 into sin theta cos theta. Now therefore sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. This is the formula. Hence we proved. Hence proved. Okay. Like this we will get the sin 2 theta formula. Okay. I hope you understand. One more derivation I am going to explain. Cos theta, cos 2 theta derivation. Okay. Next derivation is cos 2 theta. Second one, cos 2 theta. What we can write? Here we can write cos square theta minus sin square theta. Right? Cos square theta minus sin square theta. So how it will come? Let us see. Okay. Now for that just we can use cos 2 theta. I am taking LHS. Just LHS I am taking. Now cos 2 theta we can write it as cos of theta plus theta. 2 theta I am writing as theta plus theta. Now it is in the form of cos a plus b. Cos a plus b formula, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Sin a sin b. Okay, this is the formula Now just you can apply this formula to the here. Why? Because it is in the form of cos A plus B. So now I am applying. Here also see A plus theta is there, B plus also theta is there. You can apply this cos theta, cos B also cos theta. Means this is A, this is B, means A plus theta, B plus also theta, just you can keep. Now sin theta into sin theta. Okay. Now cos into cos, cos square theta, minus sin into sin, sin square theta. Okay. Now we got it. Cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. Hence prove it. Hence prove. Okay. Like this we will get the formula, cos 2 theta formula. Still we have cos 2 theta formulas. 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Again cos 2 theta formula in terms of cos. 2 cos square theta minus 1. So how we can get these formulas? Let us see the proofs for that also. Okay, let us explain. Listen once. The two derivations also I am going to explain now. Just in that cos 2 theta is equal to, one formula is in terms of sin 1 minus 2 sin square theta is there, no? So how it will come? See, first let us take cos 2 theta. Actually cos 2 theta formula what we got it? Cos square theta minus sin square theta. Previous I did no derivation, so that. Okay. Now here cos square theta is there now. Cos square theta we can write it as 1 minus sin square theta. Minus sin square theta. Why? Because we know the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay, we want cos square theta now. So cos square theta is equal to, take the transpose. Plus will be minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta. So in the place of cos square theta what I am writing? 1 minus sin square theta. Now 1 minus sin square theta, open the bracket. Just here already sin square theta is there. 1 minus sin square minus sin square. Minus 2 sin square theta. Okay. Now we got it. Cos 2 theta in terms of sin. 1 minus 2 sin square theta. This is the derivation. Okay, one more. Cos 2 theta, what I said, 2 cos square theta minus 1. How it will come? That also let us see. Cos 2 theta is equal to what we got? Cos square theta minus sin square theta, right? Now just I am writing sin square as 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, from here only. Cos square means 1 minus sin square. Sin square theta means 1 minus cos square theta. Okay. Now you can substitute in the place of sin square. Then you will get, see, in the place of sin square 1 minus cos square I am applying. Okay. Now after that what it will comes? Cos square theta minus 1, minus into minus plus. Okay, cos square theta. Okay. Now 1 plus 1. See, plus cos square, here also plus cos square. So 2 cos square theta minus 1. Therefore cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. This is one more formula. Okay. Cos 2 theta in terms of sine, in terms of cos. Okay, we have three formulas for cos 2 theta. One is cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. Second one is cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Third one is cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay, I hope you understand. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.